The Scouts and Guides Fellowship Ghana has organized a training workshop to equip leaders with essential leadership skills, enabling them to guide and empower their subordinates in advancing universal primary education and gender equality. The president of the fellowship, Mr. Andrew Botche, emphasized the importance of integrating 21st century skills and technology into leadership training to enhance the development of young learners. The Scout and Guide Fellowship Ghana is a community of adults dedicated to supporting scouting and guiding principles, fostering leadership and promoting the values of service and citizenship. The workshop themed Empowering Scouts and Guide Leaders with 21st Century Skills to Equip Youth for Achieving MDGs 2 and 3 and SDGs 1 and 5 aims to train leaders with modern skills to effectively mentor young people. The president of the fellowship, Mr. Andrew Botche, emphasized that scouting fosters patriotism and instills a strong sense of citizenship among the youth.
The whole concept of scouting is about building good citizens, citizenship education, so that they become more patriotic and more forward-looking in their various countries. So scouts, one thing we say is that as a scout, you need to do a good thing daily.
The Greater Accra Program's Commissioner for Ghana Scout Association, Nisa Pei Benedict, encouraged leaders to enhance their expertise for more impactful guidance. The International Commissioner of the Ghana Girls Guide Association, Madame Sylvia Shen, said the workshop is designed to nurture the potential of young girls and prepare them to become responsible citizens.
As a young girl joining, you are going to be empowered, you are going to have a lot of opportunities. I always use myself and others who have joined the association. I came in, joined the association as a very calm, shy person, but I was given opportunities that challenged me. And now I can say I can confidently speak out in any program that I'm invited to. And it has really challenged me, it has really built me up. And I am very grateful to the association.
The initiative is being conducted in collaboration with the Ghana Girls Guide Association and Ghana Scouts Association.